Hello, friends. Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Do you want to say, hello, my name is, with confidence?
Today is for you. In this lesson, you will learn easy English introductions. Simple, clear, friendly.
Stay with us. In 5 minutes, you will talk about yourself.
In this lesson, you will learn how to say your name, how to say your job or study, how to say where you are from, how to sound natural in English.
Let's start. Let's listen to a short, slow dialogue. Real life, easy English. Hi,
Hi,
my name is Sarah.
nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
Oh, nice. What do you do?
I'm a student.
Great. Welcome.
Key phrases. Now, let's learn the key phrases. Very easy, very useful. 1. My name is. This tells your name.
Example, my name is Paul.
Pause the video and repeat after me. My name is. 2. Nice to meet you. This is friendly. You say it when you meet someone. Example, nice to meet you.
Pause and repeat.
Nice to meet you.
3. Where are you from? This asks about country or city. Example, where are you from?
Pause and repeat. Where are you from? 4. I'm from. This answers the question. Example, I'm from Germany.
Pause and say your country. I'm from Ishuu-Enbor. 5. What do you do? This asks about job or study. Example, what do you do?
Pause and repeat. What do you do? 6. I'm a. This tells your job or study. Example, I'm a teacher. Example, I'm a student.
Pause and answer. I'm a blank.
Great job. Now listen again. Faster, more natural. Hi,
Hi,
my name is Sarah.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Welcome.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Practice 1. Say your name. Pause the video and say, my name is.
Practice 2. Say hello, pause and say, nice to meet you.
Practice 3. Answer this question. Where are you from? Pause and answer. Practice 4.
Answer this. What do you do? Pause and answer.
Practice 5. Full introduction. Pause and say, hi, my name is Arao. I'm from Chao. I'm a Pao.
Practice 6. One more time, slow, clear. Pause and speak.
Mini quiz. Mini quiz time. Choose the best answer. Question 1. What do you say first? A. I'm from Spain. B. My name is Alex. Answer B.
Question 2. How do you answer, where are you from? A. I'm a student. B. I'm from Brazil. Answer B.
Question 3. What is friendly? A. Nice to meet you. B. Goodbye forever. Answer A.
Question 4. How do you ask about job? A. What do you do? B. Where do you go? Answer A.
Question 5. Which one is correct? A. I from Canada. B. I'm from Canada. Answer B. Common mistakes.
Many learners make these mistakes.
It's okay. Let's fix them. Mistake 1. My name's Sarah. My name is Sarah.
Mistake 2. I from Italy. I'm from Italy.
Mistake 3. Nice meet you. Nice to meet you.
Mistake 4. What you do, what do you do?
Mistake 5. I'm a student. Small words, a big difference. Let's review. Today's 5 key phrases. My name is. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm a.
Now your task. Write 2 sentences in the comments. Use today's phrases.
Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Share with a friend.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.